Today my task is testing. Does it leak or it does not? Good morning, folks. It's exactly 7 o'clock Saturday morning, Labor Day weekend. While I'm waiting for my dive friend Tony, I will do my aluminum welding beads test. Here, it is kind of nice, what I may tell, from a welder perspective. This is a stick, supposed to be floatable, cause inside it's empty. 4 diving lights. Let's see if it leaks when I go down to 10 meters deep. One table is in the water. Water is greenish or brownish. Doing flotation test. Yes, it floats. Dive plan to put that bracket on the log and see if it gets some water inside. Because inside is empty aluminum, and if we have double pressure over there, so it should fulfill, if it lay too long, for about a half. It leaks somewhere here, so welder got a job. After laying down, it's got water inside. Here I do see one little microscopic hole. I drill a hole, got water dry, now welding. Since I'm in a Morrison spring, after I weld it, I go for another test. I decided to make it negative and to do 4 holes. And 2 holes on other side too. Saturday morning, I'm scheduled on a dive lock boat. And before I go there, let me finish a video about welding and testing bracket for lights. Okay, as you remember, I drill 4 holes, 2 on every side. So I made decision, if it's floatable and I release that bracket being somewhere in the bottom, like in the Gulf of Mexico, it floats and it's fly away like weather balloon, and then I'm in trouble to find it over surface. First I thought in a Morrison spring or in a vortex spring, it's good to have it floatable, but not in open water. So thank you very much for watching. That is done.